Hello Miranda, this will be some final video feedback for you on the GIF animation. And we've got 2 weeks left. If you have any questions or need anything from me, don't hesitate to reach out. Miranda, good job in documenting your process and a nice package overall. You can knit these screenshots into your final narrative. It's not required, but you can treat your final narrative as a publication design project and embed these screenshots that demonstrate your process. I'm going to open up your file in, so what is this? Oh, that's the basic ad, yes. So what you're doing is you're building your package of ingredients for your final. And glad to see that you've got your print ad in there. It looks like it's in there with some changes. Looks like you responded to some of the things that I had to say, varying the size of the circles and so forth. But anyway, good going on that. You've got 2 weeks to refine the print ad, and if you can, that would be a good idea. So that was Eva Rhodes' ad, and it's prompting me for these smart objects, but I'm just going to say, click through them. So here is your ad. I see that you've got things on layers. Good for you. Good going on that. And so I can turn them on or off. And you're working with a timeline. Also good. So let me zoom out and play your animation. It looks like it's simple. It's got 3 frames. I'll back it up to the beginning and let it move through. Oh, neat. So these kinds of almost like when you toss a pebble into a pond. I like those reflecting rings. And it has the same elements and the same palette as the print ad. So good job in making them look similar. One thing I'm not crazy about, though, is the box and the uneven border that it creates. So if you want to put it in a turquoise box, fine, but I would make the borders equal. But I think a better solution would be to enlarge it just so that it bleeds off the edge. And let's see if I can demonstrate that. Well, let's see. Okay, so this is what I was thinking, is maybe just bleed that turquoise off the entire background. And you can make this echo, I don't know, water drop, I guess, pattern overlap into that area. Might make it interesting. A really nice job. I like the quality of your ingredients. You used your silhouette, I think, consistently in both the print ad and the banner ad. And in terms of animation, perhaps consider some tweening in between frames for smoother transitions. And what that is, let me just stop this. You select 2 frames. Here's I think the tweening dialog box. Let's just go with it, with the default settings. It'll add those frames. Of course, you would probably want to make them shorter. So what would we add? 5 frames. 5. And you can just change that to maybe from 1 second down to, I don't know, try 0.2 of a second, just to see what it gives you. Back it up and see, it's a little smoother transition. So consider something like that, smoother transitions, and perhaps, just work towards sort of a believable, non-jerky movement. I think that's all I have to say for now. Good job, Miranda, and I look forward to seeing how this shapes up.